So today I'm going to be starting the process of trying to grow my own flower seeds. In the past, what I've done is I've normally go and buy saplings or seedlings from a flower show or from a nursery, or once in a while get them from a friend, but mostly buy it. They're typically flower shows that happen once in a while, and I would go there and buy the required saplings seedlings that I want. But I grow a lot of other stuff. I grow vegetables and all from seed, so why not flowers? Um, so today I'll be trying a process to grow this. I have this seed called Cosmos Sensation Mixed. This is typically grown in summer, so I'll try doing that. I have this box in which I'll be lining with tissue for the wet tissue method. The other thing I need is just the scissors to cut open the packet, some paper for putting a label, pen for the label, some water. Now, this bottle looks very dirty, but it's a bottle I've been using for a long time. This was a waste bottle, an oil bottle. I took it, I drilled some holes in the top, and I used that for sprinkling water. Similarly, this is a food delivery box. I am using that as a process. I just cleaned it to make sure there's no food left or anything, and so we'll get started on the process. First, you have to line a couple of tissues at the bottom. So I'll do that. So tissues are lined up and I put sprinkled water so that it is no moist. It should not be wet. I mean, if you squeeze it, you should not be able to take too much water out of it, because if that much water is there, then these tissues will disintegrate pretty fast and the seeds will find it too wet too, or they'll start rotting. It should be moist so that there's a good environment for the plants to start, for the seeds to start producing, uh, basically start sprouting, germinating. So now let me put the seeds in here. So I have these longish seeds, the Cosmos seeds. Oh, one of them fell, that's okay. It anyhow has to go in there, and I'll layer them in this on top of the wet tissue, and then we need to close it and put a label. So the seeds are all laid up, separated from each other to some degree, and the label is also made. Now I'll just uh, put the lid on the box, thus making it airtight to a degree, and stick the label on top. And this box is done. If you look closely, you can see there's a lid, there's a label. We will just keep it aside, and I'll update once we start seeing some germination.